Ready to sculpt those abs? Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, this journey is for everyone. You're in the right place. No gym? No problem. You can achieve incredible results right from the comfort of your home. We'll unlock your core's potential with a simple, effective 10-minute home workout. These exercises are designed to target every part of your core. Get ready to feel the burn and see amazing results. Consistency is key, and with dedication, you'll notice improvements in no time. This isn't just about a six-pack, it's about building a strong core. A strong core is the foundation of a healthy body. A strong core improves posture, balance, and overall strength. It supports your daily activities and enhances your athletic performance. Plus, it can even boost your confidence. When you feel strong from within, it reflects in your attitude and outlook on life. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Warm up your body, get your blood flowing, and prepare your mind for the challenge ahead. Are you ready to unleash your inner athlete? Embrace the process, stay motivated, and push your limits. Let's dive into the workout and transform your body one rep at a time. Remember, every rep brings you closer to your goal. Stay focused, stay strong, and let's make this happen. First up, the mighty plank. It's a full core exercise that strengthens your abs, back, and shoulders. Get into a push-up position, then lower yourself onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Hold this position for 30 seconds, engaging your core and glutes. Feel the burn? That's your core waking up. Planks are amazing for building core stability and improving your posture. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Next, we'll target those obliques with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and hands behind your head. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while simultaneously straightening your right leg. Alternate sides, mimicking a pedaling motion. Do this for 30 seconds, feeling the burn in your sides. Bicycle crunches are fantastic for defining your waistline and improving your rotational strength. Engage your core throughout the exercise to maximize the effectiveness of each crunch. Now, let's work those lower abs with leg raises. Lie on your back with your hands under your glutes for support. Keep your legs straight and lift them towards the ceiling. Lower your legs slowly without touching the ground. Repeat this for 30 seconds. Leg raises are excellent for strengthening your lower abs and improving your pelvic stability. Remember to control the movement and avoid using momentum. Slow and steady wins the race. Section 5. The 10-minute ab challenge. Putting it all together. This is where all your hard work and dedication come into play. Now, let's put it all together for an amazing 10-minute ab workout. This routine is designed to maximize your core strength and endurance in a short amount of time. Perform each exercise for 30 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. This interval training will keep your heart rate up and your muscles engaged. Repeat the entire circuit twice. Start with a plank for 30 seconds. Keep your body straight and your core tight. Rest for 15 seconds. Next, move on to bicycle crunches for 30 seconds. Make sure to twist your torso and bring your elbow to the opposite knee. Rest for 15 seconds. Then perform leg raises for 30 seconds. Keep your legs straight and lift them slowly to engage your lower abs. Rest for 15 seconds. This workout is just the beginning. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the sense of accomplishment. As you get stronger, you can increase the duration of each exercise or add more rounds to the circuit. Challenge yourself to push beyond your limits and see how far you can go. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. Keep pushing, and you'll see amazing results. Section 6. Listen to your body. Embrace modifications. Remember, It's okay to modify the exercises if you're just starting. You can do planks on your knees, modified bicycle crunches, or knee raises instead of full leg raises. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Your health and well-being are paramount. As you progress, you can gradually increase the intensity and challenge yourself further. Section 7. Fueling your fitness journey. Nutrition matters. Remember, your fitness journey is not just about exercise. It's also about nourishing your body with the right foods. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. What you fuel your body with directly impacts your results. Remember, you can't out-train a bad diet. Make healthy choices a part of your lifestyle. Section 8. Consistency is key. Stay committed, see results. Consistency is vital for achieving visible results. Make this 10-minute AB workout a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 3 to 4 times a week. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. It takes time and effort to transform your body. Stay dedicated, and you'll be amazed by what you can achieve. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward. Section 9. Beyond the workout. Embracing a holistic approach. Remember that true fitness extends beyond physical activity. Prioritize sleep, manage stress, and cultivate a positive mindset. Incorporate other forms of exercise you enjoy, like walking, dancing, or swimming. Embrace a holistic approach to well-being for optimal results. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and enjoy the ride. Section 10. Conclusion. Your journey to a stronger you starts now. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a stronger, healthier you. This journey is not just about physical transformation, but also about building mental resilience and fostering a positive outlook on life. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. This 10-minute ab workout is a fantastic way to sculpt your core and improve your overall fitness. Remember, consistency is key. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to these exercises, you are investing in your health and well-being. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your strength and endurance. Stay committed, fuel your body with nutritious foods, and embrace a positive mindset. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals will support your fitness journey and help you recover faster. Don't forget to hydrate and get enough rest. You've got this. Now go out there and rock those abs. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each milestone is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Share your achievements with friends and family to stay motivated. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never stop believing in your ability to achieve incredible things. Your journey to a stronger you is ongoing, and every effort counts. Stay focused, stay positive, and remember that you are capable of greatness. The best is yet to come.